Hi my loving friends, welcome back. Welcome to my YouTube channel again. I'm Lucky. So today I'm going to show you how to make yellow cucumber pickle. I mentioned you guys previous video a yellow cucumber harvesting day, and I promise you how to make yellow cucumber pickle from this. These are the ingredients that I want. Mainly cucumber and vinegar. This is chili and glass jar. That's it. So firstly I need to wash and cut it. When I rub like this, it comes, it's kind of like a bond. You can see it. See? So we don't need this. I will wash again. I want to remove seed of as well. See my friends, the sliced yellow cucumber. So I put it into the glass jar. Very easy. So you guys can make it easily. Even cucumber, no, you don't need actually yellow cucumber. You can use it cucumber as well. Cucumber, radish, even beetroots. I love beetroots. It's very texture. And even this one, I mentioned that video. This is good for kidneys. After adding yellow cucumber slice into my glass jar, what I'm going to do, I include vinegar like this way. The final part is I add little bit chili the diced chili a little bit. Just a little. This is a yellow cucumber pickle. So guys, thank you very much. Stay with me until the last moment. Much appreciated. So this is our final product, end product. Beautiful yellow cucumber pickle. So you guys can add radish, carrots, beetroots. As I mentioned before, I highly recommend beetroots. Really good for our health. And how can I consume these kind of things? Usually I wake up, drink warm water, and little bit later I drink early in the morning and consume these things like a little bit cucumber with vinegar. It really helps to control blood sugar, no more sugar spike, glucose spike. So I used to have a migraine before, almost every day. So I didn't have any ideas what can I do for migraine. So I gave it a try, pickle, especially vinegar. So it really helps to control my migraine. Now very seldomly I have a migraine, but I can completely cure now. So you guys can make it and try it if you have a migraine and suffering from migraine. So I highly recommend these kind of things. And leave a comment below any ideas or any advice for me as well. So I love to hear that. So anyway, thank you very much. Stay with me, and I'm Lucky. See you on the other side and other videos. So thank you very much. See you again. Thank you.